Everyone, I am Qasim, and as you can see in this video, I am talking with you guys while walking. Uh, According, like in my POV, I am facing a creative block now. Like I was trying to think of five concept or ideas about like a thumbnail. So I got the title, not the title, but the core belief and the actual promise to the viewers. But at the same time, I am facing some kind of block in the curiosity gap and the concept idea. Like I am hitting the lag or the stuck feeling. Understand? I guess you understand what I'm doing. That feeling is very bad, but it is something that makes you different from the others. Like this is the this is the time when most of the people quit, and you must you stick to it, and you get what you want actually. So in this phase, you like what I will do. Let me share it first. Like, and also you can do it if you are facing this stage or phase. So you can do this. So I will do like I will okay. I will do like I will isolate myself totally uh, from the all external or all external and the distractions. Only myself and in the solitude alone, and I will embrace the silence, because in silence my brain can repair itself, and the part of brain which is innovative, like innovative part of brain which is creative and which is much more able to think clearly and understand and build things more properly, will awaken and be active. No, right now it is disabled or like not uh, uh, starting or not helping me. But when I do that, I will get much more clarity, and something we should do in order to do something that is different from all others. I know that is a cliche thing, that isolate yourself. You have heard it all the times, but mine is a little different. I will do it in such time that it is like totally alone, no distractions, no other things. Just it is more of like prison or something like that. I will train my brain to strengthen its that core part or another part which can okay. I am okay. Let me share something. The previous conversation is incompleted or unfinished, so the thing I want to share is I am doing a very, you can say, unfamiliar thing, or like a very not normal thing, because it is a kind of awkward thing, but I guess it is a part of it, because sometimes we just don't understand. We want to, but we are stuck in a loop. We cannot break out the loop and get out of it. So start taking risks and face the embarrassing and awkward moments in your life, because those will be embarrassing at the start, but when you are kind of used to do it, or do it for 2 or 3 times, you get more better in it, and it is much more enjoyable than the comfort zone of yours. So embrace uncomfortness and live a life full to the full, like do your best and give it your all. So peace out. This video ends here.